duck, no smoke. We dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We dodge, no smoke. We duck, we dodge, we dodge, we duck, we dodge, no smoke. We duck, no smoke.
Go. Alright, so today we're going to install a child seat into your Tesla Model Y, man. Does it fit? How much room is in there? We're about to find out. Let's go.
I almost caught a monkey, I'm sorry.
Alright, so here we go. First thing we want to do is you need to protect your seat. We're going to put something in to actually protect the seat. Alright, so you want to protect your seats, especially if you have the white seats, you want to protect them. So find you something like this. We want to see how much leg room is going to be involved. There we go. A little bit more loose. Alright, so we got the bottom part protected there. We're gonna go with the anchors. Y'all know the anchor part, right? We're gonna anchor the seat right in. And this is a front facing seat. Alright, so we're gonna utilize the anchors on this seat. Okay, I think that looks good. Alright, put my anchor in. All right, so we're gonna anchor the other side. Take this, go down to the anchor. And feel for it first. There we go. Put that latch in right over the top. Come on. All right, locked in. All right, so we got it locked in right here. There you go. There you go. All right, so now we want to tighten this joint. There you go. Put a lot of pressure down there. A lot of good pressure. There we go. And it also has the top latch anchor. We probably should have done that first. Let's loosen that back up. Loosen that up a little bit. Pull out our anchor. There we go. Top latch. Got that. And we'll go do our top latch from the other side. Right, put that latch in down here. Little slack. Come on. Turn it sideways.
Sideways, then push it in, then twist it back.
Bang. We got experts with us today, y'all. Boom. Tuck that in for prettiness. All right. Move it down. Make sure it's nice and snug. Nice and snug it is. I like it. Let's take a look at that. Let's see. Got a lot of good room in here. They do sell protectors that will protect your back of your seat from getting kicked from little kids. But that's pretty much it. Is that better under there? All right. All right, guys. That's it. That's how you install your Model Y child seat. All right, y'all. Bonus coverage. Now we're putting in just the booster. Same concept, y'all. We're going with the anchors. Find your anchors. Anchors away. Lock in. Find the anchor. Okay, let's find it. It's locked in. Locked in. Boom. Right. Make sure the pad is under the seat good. And we're gonna draw these tight. Bang. Locked in. For good measure. For good measure. Nice and tight. Back protected. Bottom is protected. And you got your booster seat locked in. Plenty of room, y'all. Let's see how much. Can I sit between the kids, y'all? Let's see if we can sit between the kids. All right, I'm 6 feet tall. I'm 6 feet tall. So we're gonna see if I can fit between the kids. We don't know yet. Let's find out. I can sit between the kids. Plenty of leg room. Plenty of headroom. I got plenty of leg room. There's no transmission hump. I can sit between the kids and get on down the street where we got to go. All right, man. So we got your booster seat and your whole child safety seat for your baby and a 6-foot adult in the back seat. Let's go to Disney.
We duck, no smoke. We die, no smoke. We duck, no smoke. We die.